Hey everyone, Alex here, back with another video. In front of me, I have something really special that was released at TRCMA 2024 down at the Rag Company in Boise, Idaho. Maybe that's how you pronounce it. I don't know. Leave a comment. Tell me how you pronounce it. So, I have the Koch Chemie Rapid Rinseless Wash. This thing broke the internet when Koch Chemie did their presentation, and I am super excited to try it. May I be the only one in Canada with it? I don't know. Probably. That's kind of cool. So what we're going to do is I'm going to pre-foam the car because it is really dirty. We've had snow, we've had rain, we've had sleet, we've had sun. So I'm going to pre-rinse it down first, and then I'm going to do the rinseless. Because remember, all that a rinseless wash means is that you don't have to rinse it after you're done. You can do whatever you want before. So that's exactly what we're going to do, and we're going to take you along the way. So in front of me, I have the Pro Blend Bottle Proportioner. Say that 10 times really fast. On my Koch Chemie bottle. I do have the Koch Chemie dispenser caps, which I'll show right here. I have those on my soaps. I like to use those. So I had this on another rinseless product, but I did decide to slap it on here because I think I'm probably going to love this. I know Justin and the team over at KCX have been working really hard for a very long time. Multiple revisions with this bad boy. I'm very excited to try it. So, like many other 256-1 dilution, so that's half an ounce per gallon. So I have about 3.5-ish gallons of water in here, but there is a little bit of a trick I'm gonna do. So what you gotta do is you just gotta squeeze this bad boy here. We're gonna fill that right up to 2 ounces. Because the nice thing is that it has a little plate that stops. Put that in there. A little bit heavy isn't the worst thing in the world. Close that back up. But I'm gonna take my new IK Multi-Pro 2360 with a little weighted ball and my Ultra Black sponge from the Rag Company. Give that a stir. Okay. And now, bring that up. I'm gonna dunk this in the bucket and fill it up. So that way you have the perfect dilution. A couple of videos ago, I did disclose the IK chart that was released also at TRCMA. Super handy, but this is a nice way to do things too. Dump out a little bit there because we do need a little bit of air. So this is going to be our pre-soak. So we slap that on there. We're going to pump that up, and I will show you the results soon of the whole rinseless wash process after I do a pre-rinse. Okay, so we got the car. I did a pre-foam and I rinsed it just to get a lot of the dirt off because again, with rinseless, work smart, okay? If it's really soiled, give it a pre-rinse with a pressure washer and then soak it down. So again, RRW, the Rapid Rinseless Wash. I have it here in a 256-1 in my IK 360 Multi. I absolutely love this thing. Okay, I haven't even used it and I already love it. All right. So we're gonna soak the car down. I'm gonna do it upside down. Why? Just because I can. Why do you pre-soak? Now with this, it encapsulates any leftover dirt. Now if it's mildly soiled, if you drove around the rain, had some fun, whatever, you can just do this step if you don't want to pre-rinse, that's fine. Be a little bit more liberal with it. Pre-soak, I'm gonna go upside down, again, because I can. Cover everything on the vehicle. And this is kind of a mint tea scent. So the Multi-Pro 360 does not have a Schrader valve on it, so you gotta go pump city on this bad boy. That's okay. Liberally apply it. Gonna go over the whole car. And like I said, spring is sprung, garage doors open, we're having fun. It's not cold out, shorts, t-shirts, and flip-flop weather. What more could you ask for? All right, and the scent, holy crap. Like in the bottle, it's good. But I mean, like, it smells very masculine in here. It smells like on, you know, you're going out night on the town or something. I don't know. All right. So obviously you want to focus a lot on the lower areas where there's a lot of soilage. If you have a hatch, back hatch, trunk. Get that table out of the way. And there we go. So car itself is soaked. Now, we're gonna take our bucket, so just like any rinseless, on the verge of dripping. A little bit more out of there. That's about good. Start top down. Again, like I'm not putting any pressure on this ultra black sponge whatsoever. I'm just guiding it. Okay. Do about half the roof. And obviously the glass is a lot less susceptible to issues, so we're just gonna go ahead and do the glass that same side. The back glass. Flip it over to the trunk lid. Go for a dunk. Again, one bucket. Don't overthink it. Can't get over that scent. Holy smokes. So good. And again, a lot of people think rinseless is going to scratch your car, all that stuff. It's possible if you're not right and sure about it. Most scratching, listen, most scratching actually occurs when you're drying. Who knew? Go ahead in here, get the door handle, get the door panel. So I'm gonna finish off this side, we're gonna take you on the other side here in a sec. So we're back, we're just gonna hit this side real quick. So again, overall, the experience has been awesome. I can't get over the scent. The scent's absolutely my favorite when it comes to the rinseless. I mean, there are some other fruity ones, but I mean, this one is just, it's different. And different in a good way. Okay, so again, like I'm around this car in only a few minutes, and there's people out there that don't like rinseless. I get it. If it's not for you, fine. You can do your Foam Town USA if you want. You know, obviously, Koch Chemie, they have a ton of great foaming soaps. GSF, Gentle Snow Foam, GFX. I mean, that's Christmas in a bottle right there. And a lot of other great soaps as well. So, rinseless, again, not for everybody. But I like it because if you're in an apartment complex, condo, water restricted area, it's a great alternative, you know. Up here where I am, we might be pretty close to a drought here. You know, we might be closer to that drought than Eddie and JB are eating hot wings. So they're gonna eat them, don't worry. Okay, so again, be smart about it. That's the biggest thing with rinseless. If you think it's too dirty and you have to question it whatsoever, probably is, okay? Be smart, pressure wash it before. If you don't have a pressure washer at home, that's totally fine. Go to the paint spray, knock it down, a few bucks. Go for a little cruise. Who doesn't love driving your car, you know? And again, even through a tunnel wash, touchless, whatever, it's fine, okay? We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna knock out the back, I'm gonna give you my final thoughts. All right, there we have it. So Rapid Rinseless Wash from Koch Chemie, an absolutely fantastic rinseless. You know me, I love everything, but this one is certainly no exception. Tried a few other rinselesses, and this one's right up there with those. So I really, really enjoy this product. Scent's fantastic, slickness is fantastic. Compared to the Ultra Black Sponge, it's an absolute winner. So again, if you're in harsh conditions in the wintertime, this is gonna be awesome, okay? If you're in an apartment complex, like I mentioned before, perfect, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna drive this off camera, but Rapid Rinseless Wash, like I mentioned, I might be the only person in Canada with this, so I mean, if you want it, I take PayPal, make something work. But until then, until it comes up here, either TOC Supplies or carzilla.ca, Bucky VWS saves you some cash there, or any from your KCX USA if you're down there, Rag Company, they're gonna have it too. So appreciate a like from you, comment if you like, subscribe if you choose to do so, and I will catch you in the next video.